Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. So tonight we're going to have a look at this awesome knife from Kizer. This is the Begleiter 2. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this knife, make sure you check out the link in the description below. As always, let's begin with the size reference, just to give you an idea for what this might feel like in your hand. So that's a large permanent marker. This is a very thin, lightweight knife. Let's turn it sideways. All right, there we go. All right, let's open up the blade. Man, that's a fast opener. That is a fast opening blade. All right, there it is next to the pen again. Let's just turn that sideways. All right, let's take an actual measurement here. So closed up, it's just about 4.5 inches long this way. All right, with the blade open, from this end of the handle to the tip of the blade, just about 8 inches long. All right, let's get you guys a weight reference. Begleiter 2 coming in at 3.1 ounces. And folks, that is lighter than a full deck of cards. All right, let's have a look at the thickness of the handle here. This is a pair of chopsticks. This is the thick side. This is the thinner side. It's more in line with the thicker side of a pair of chopsticks. Here's a quick measurement of the height of the blade and the handle together. Just about 1 inch thick. Let's have a look at the opening mechanism. We just have dual thumb studs. And they've got cutouts on both sides. So it's very easy to open it up if you're left or right-handed. And I don't know if you saw how fast and smooth that is, but it is, I don't know what kind of bearing system they have on this pivot, but check this out. It just, look at that. You just rotate it around, let gravity do the work. It is so fast and so smooth. Love the gold washer there on the pivot. Man, look at that. They've also included this little hump here so that if you close it, it'll shut down on your finger like that, so you're not going to get cut, and then you just swing it around and have it closed that way. But that pivot is absolutely lightning quick. Incredible. All right, let's have a look at the blade, starting off with the thumb ramp area. Very mild jimping at the top. There's a look at the pattern there. And blade thickness, I would say, looks like it's about the same thickness as maybe a nickel. Let me get you guys a closer look at this beautiful black finish. Kizer logo here on the side. They're calling this blade design drop point, but I'm going to put this chopstick on here. You're going to notice a little dip here, which would make it a clip point. But when you read the description, it says drop point. This is a flat grind, meaning there's no curvature on the blade, which makes it very easy to sharpen. And you also have a sharpening choil, which means it's very easy to sharpen all the way down to the base of the blade. All right, let's talk about the steel here. We have Austrian N690 steel. If you're familiar with Spyderco's VG10 or Japan's AUS10, it's very similar. It's got 17% chromium, so it's going to have very good corrosion resistance. It's very easy to sharpen, and it's going to maintain a really nice edge. Let's have a look at these beautiful carbon fiber scales. To me, this is the star of the show. I love it when carbon fiber has that three-dimensional look. When you change angles, it changes color. Check that out. It just catches light in different angles. Absolutely stunning. I guess I would call this maybe a wood grain carbon fiber pattern. Check that out. It's just so beautiful. And again, you have cutouts on both sides. Some knives don't have a cutout for left-handers if they want to do that flick, but you get cutouts on both sides. All right, and again, this is a liner lock. All you got to do is move this on the side and just let gravity do the work. It's going to close on its own. The liners on the inside have been skeletonized. You can see it on this side here, and if I flip it over on this side, that's going to save on weight. That's what makes this so light as well with the carbon fiber handles. But just a beautiful opening pivot. And in the back, we don't have a back spacer, but we have these beautiful black standoffs here. In fact, we have black matching hardware all over, and these are torque screws, so if you want to take it down and clean it, it'll let you service it that way. Lanyard hole here in the back. Let's have a look at the pocket clip. Deep carry pocket clip. Reversible to the other side, and this will be tip-up carry only. Ah, look at these carbon fiber scales. Absolutely gorgeous. And here's what it's going to look like when it's in your pocket. Deep carry. All right, turn that sideways, give you a look that way. Beautiful. Once again, guys, this has been the Begleiter 2 by Kizer. If you're looking for an everyday carry knife that's slim and lightweight with some serious appeal with this crazy carbon fiber pattern, this might be the knife for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this knife, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.